To clean your whoop charge, start by gathering a few simple materials, including a soft cloth, mild soap, and warm water. Begin by wiping down the exterior of the charger with the soft cloth to remove any loose dirt or debris. Next, mix a small amount of mild soap with warm water, and dip the cloth into the solution. Gently wipe down the charger, paying special attention to any areas with visible dirt or grime buildup. Be sure to avoid getting any liquids into the charging port or other openings. Rinse the cloth thoroughly and wipe down the charger again to remove any soap residue. Use a dry section of the cloth to wipe down the charger and remove any excess moisture. It is also important to clean the charging contacts on the whoop charge. To do this, use a cotton swab dipped in a small amount of water to gently wipe away any dirt or grime. Avoid using excessive water or harsh chemicals, as this can damage the charger. Allow the charger to air dry completely before using it again. Regular cleaning of your whoop charge can help maintain its performance and extend its lifespan. By following these simple steps, you can keep your charger in good working condition and ensure it continues to function properly.